Hello everyone, today I want to share one of my most unforgettable experience working as a tour guide in my own village, Desa Balok. Desa Balok may look quite and simple, but it's a deep story, especially in a sacred site that many visitors are very curious about, the Makam Keramat Raja Balok, and alongside it, the tomb of Sheikh Abdul Jabbar Shamsuddin. One day, I was leading a small group of visitors from the city. We walked through the rice field and local crab spot, and then I led them into a forested area of about 4 hectares where the mausoleum is located. I told them that, according to local belief, the Balok Kingdom existed from roughly the 15th to the 17th century, and that the very first king buried there was Ki Gede Yakub, who is said to have founded the Balok Kingdom. The community honors him as an important wise leader. Then I explained about Sheikh Abdul Jabbar Shamsuddin, a highly respected spiritual figure in our village. Local stories say he was of Arab descent, spent time in Brunei and Malaysia before coming and settling in Balok until the end of his life. Over there, he taught and preserved Islamic tradition, especially the practice of Hadra or Rudat, which became part of local culture thanks to his influence. I also shared something more mystical. In the very forest we call Hutan Balok Lama, there's a local legend about a spirit named Putri Bunga. Villagers say she appears sometimes as a very long snake, 1 feet or more in length, with a body as white as a pillow. I tell this legend to visitors because it's part of our local identity, a blend of faith, mystery, and respect for nature. When we stood quietly in the shade of the tall trees near the tombs, I could see how deeply moved the visitors were. Their eyes told me they realized this was not just tourist attraction. It was a place of history, spirituality, and cultural value. At one point, a visitor turned to me and said, you are so fortunate to grow up here. The history is profound, the nature is peaceful, and the way you said it makes me everything feel alive. That sentence, that sentence hit me in the heart. It made me realize that as a tour guide, I'm not just showing a place, I'm sharing the soul of my village. I'm connecting my people to my roots, and in doing so, I reconnect with them myself. From that experience, I understood more clearly that every humble place holds a big story, and that being a guide is more than a job. It's a way to appreciate the past, to preserve it, and pass it on. Thank you for listening my story. See you again. Bye bye.